grassy hill and he don't make a sound. Like lightning in the tall grass, you know he can't be found. No mountain lion is fast enough to catch him when he runs. In an orange flash of light, he disappears into the sun. When the fox comes round, when the fox comes round, when the fox comes round. Weaving through a maze of pines, he stops upon a rock to listen to a banjo tune. He doesn't want to stop. Now the snow is getting deeper, piled up above his head, but he floats over the top in his coat shining red. When the fox comes round, when the fox comes round, when the fox comes round. Little baby's beating on the door to take a look. He wants to see that fox that he's read about in books. Yeah, we're always waiting for our foxy to come by, but he doesn't stay for long and then he's back into the night. When the fox comes round, when the fox comes round, when the fox comes round.